Alright? This is back to the Glock 17 Gen 3 30 barrel with birdcage compensator on a Kydex, no retention holster. Once again, this is much more light and much more comfortable. And you will swing it around. And just do this all the time. I mean, no, just sit there. No, so you sit there. You sit there, time I kept one around. That's not what you want to do. Just remember, in combat, there's no perfect technique. You practice your technique here, and then implement it when it comes down to real, when it's real world combat situation. Swing it back. No. Just do it and do it. As I just showed, you don't have to just do this here. You go ascertain, look around, maybe it's nothing. And then you go back out of battery. Once again, no, you just don't, what the hell? So that's how that goes. So you're sitting here, you're looking around. Anyways, that's how that goes. Practice, practice, practice. Make sure the gun, is no bullets around. The clips are in another room, so there's no way I can grab a gun loaded. Be careful. Always be careful.